That spell where you wanted everyone to forget that Peter Parker's Spider-Man? Be careful what you wish for. We started getting some visitors from every universe.
The multiverse is real?
Looks like we got competition. You're not Peter Parker.
I am so confused right now.
Parker, we need to send them back.
You're thinking, hey, I'm about to do something that could break the universe. Run it by us next time.
Deal.
Let's catch some multiverse men.
Peter, you're struggling.
Look, there has to be another way!
They're a danger to our universe.
Have everything you want. While the world tries to make you choose.
Is that a dinosaur?
I'll fix this, but I'm gonna need some help.
You're flying out into the darkness to fight ghosts.
They all die fighting Spider-Man. It's their fate. This is why I never had kids.
You're not gonna take this away from me.
Do you know Peter Parker, who's Spider-Man?
Yes.
Is that him?
No.
This is all my fault. I can't save everyone.
I'm sorry, kid.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.